How to verify LinkedIn account without passport. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the LinkedIn application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your LinkedIn application on your device, just wait for a while and make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. So as you check on the connection, you can wait for a few more seconds. And here what you can simply do is tap on your profile at the top of the screen. As you tap on it, simply select on the settings option at the bottom. After selecting on settings, it will take us to a new page where you can see all the options that are related to settings. So wait until all the options loads. Here select on the account preferences option. As you tap on account preferences, you can see the option of verification under profile information. So tap on verifications. What you can do is you can see we do not have verifications over here. So we're going to go back and then go back again. And let's select on the options over here. So let's tap on sign in and security. We don't have any option over here yet again. So let's tap on account preferences again. Then let's tap on verifications. Select on learn more about verifications over here. And as we tap on learn more about verifications, it will just start to process. So what you can do is you can just tap on verify now option. Just wait for a few more seconds again over here while it continues to process. So it might take a few more seconds over here. Let's wait for it until it loads us to the new page over here where we can process further. So let's wait and it will take us to this new page over here. What you simply need to do is tap on verify with persona. So as you tap on verify with persona, what we'll be able to get is we'll be taken to a new page where you'll have other options than passport to verify ourselves. So we'll just have to upload any other data other than passport to verify our LinkedIn account over here. So let's wait for a few more seconds again and it will give us options like government ID or any other documents over here. It might take a few more seconds, so if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection on a device, you can switch to cellular data as well. And when you turn into a different connection, that might also faster up the process. So that's basically how you can verify LinkedIn account without passport. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.